But if you have a very aggressive kid that has the potential to murder you in your sleep, don't do that.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but...
Good morning. Oh, Rob changed the towel. I need to get rid of that towel. It looks like... That's brand new. Shut up. You shut up. I need to go wash my face. Today is Friday, last day of the week. It's time to party. No, don't do that. I'll go brush my teeth, wash my face, and then we're gonna get the morning started. You guys didn't tell me something. We had to change the date. Bet you guys didn't notice that was a thing. The frick? It's a piece of hair, man. I don't like putting on makeup. You see this big beast popped up 2 days ago. And it won't go away. I'm not gonna put anything on my hair. I'm just gonna rock my natural hair today. Good morning, Jack. Good morning, Jack.
Good morning.
Today's Friday. I was so frightened. I was like, I went to go make sure, you know, they take a shower, lotion, all that. I'm looking at they're like all dressed up. Like Fridays are their dress down day. They don't have to wear a uniform. I'm like, when did we get to Friday already? That's because they went back to school yesterday. So, yeah, let's go downstairs and see what they're all about. See? Where'd y'all go on the stairs? Oh, that's from washing the girls' hair. Well, I only wash Destiny's hair. Shower! Okay. Now! My kitchen is clean because Rob cleaned it for me last night. He's such a sweetheart. He came home. He brought us Chinese food for dinner. Good morning.
Good morning.
This is her hair. Hold it down. She didn't tie it. We didn't tie it down. I can see the little fuzzies already. It's my bad. My bad. This is gonna last her about a week. If you guys don't know, I can't braid. This is me learning, and I hope to get better as time go on. What are you eating for breakfast?
Cereal. Nothing special.
Nothing special.
Nothing special.
You're a special girl. You should eat.
Special.
You should eat special food.
Nothing
Special people eat special food. What you watching? This is my life now. My children get sucked into screens. They don't talk to me anymore. They don't come and say, give me the.
We did.
Give me the.
We do.
When?
Anytime.
Oh, tell them when your phone gets locked off.
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock?
9 o'clock.
It shuts down?
But today doesn't.
Today doesn't. What time your phone gets shut down today?
Never.
Never?
Never.
On the weekend, it goes endless amount of phone, huh?
Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Right, Jill. Endless amount of phone. Yeah. And today's the day you get to be.
On tablets.
Yay. Who's in the shower? Jordan? Okay. So if you are a mom with kids on technology, there's this app. I forgot what it's called. I'll ask Rob about it. But it's this app where we monitor every single thing that they do. So we know what it is that they're looking at, what they're searching for. And with Destiny's phone, because everything else comes in our room at the end of the day and plugged in. Destiny's phone, because it's her phone, it gets shuts off at 9 o'clock, and it doesn't. She has no access to it until what, 5:30 or 6:30? 5:30 in the morning. It turns back on, and she can use it. So that way, she's not up in her room at night looking at things that she shouldn't be looking at. You know what I mean? Take away the temptations from our kids, and they'll be okay. They be okay, all right? But if you have a very aggressive kid that has the potential to murder you in your sleep, don't do that. I'm just saying. I'm just kidding. But all seriousness, that's how we monitor our kids on technology. It's a genius concept. I can get down with it. Today is Yo-Yo Friday. Oh, I need some coffee. mug of choice today. Help me choose a mug. I don't know what to choose. What's my option? Hey girl. Hey. Hey girl, hey girl. I'm not collecting Ray-Don anymore. It's getting a little bit, you know, you're basic. I don't like being basic. I'm not a basic chick, so yeah, about that. I'll keep the pieces I have, but everybody and their mama has it now, so nah. I ain't basic. Shoot, I'm far from basic. Nothing is special about it.
Why is it so weird?
Because
Why?
I don't know, Jason. Backside, what y'all ask me?
Can you buy it?
I wonder, what is this child asking me, people? I want to ask, what happened here? I did 3 seconds instead of 3 minutes. All right, let's try this again. 3, 0, 0. I hate when it's not just you press 3 and that's it. No, you have to press 3 and more.
There's 27 Ray-Don things in the kitchen right now.
20. You counted 27 pieces of Ray-Don.
In here, that's decorated.
I need to go get dressed.
Clean your bowl.
Yeah, including that bowl right there.
No, clean
Which
your
bowl?
bowl.
Right there.
Your bowl.
There's more than 27
Oh,
pieces.
28 right here.
Oh, you mean
No, like-
out? There's stuff in the basement.
No, I meant in the kitchen.
Yeah, a few.
No, there's stuff in the cupboards. There's up here, like.
No, like out. Like
Oh, okay. I
out.
was about to show out. I have to do the tier tray situation. Look at my children. I have to do the tier tray situation. Today, the plan for today is to stay out all day.
Yes, yes. Can I come with you?
They get out at 12 o'clock. So they kind of like put a wrench in my day. Is it a wrench? I don't know. But
Just stuff Jason's face.
No.
go bathe, Dirty Jason.
I'm waiting for Jordan.
Dirty Jason, go bathe. Did you sleep in your clothes?
No. I changed it.
He's a liar. Teenagers are such liars. They lie for no reason. They lie when they don't even have to lie.
I'm not lying.
Yes, you are lying.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you slept in your clothes, right? Slept in your clothes, right?
No.
We're not supposed to sleep in our clothes, but you slept in your clothes, right? Say it with me. I slept in my clothes.
Jordan.
Half my clothes.
Shut up.
Jordan did that.
I have to wash their sheets today. Come on, coffee. Come on. Hurry
I
up.
already took off mine because Maddie.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
Jordan slept in his car.
Jordan slept in his clothes?
Yes.
That's expected. Jordan is my
He
baby.
also took off his pants.
Jordan is my sweet pea. Sweet, sweet boy.
One.
Ah! There it is.
I'm going to drink coffee in 2 weeks.
Okay.
Okay.
I was going to do keto coffee today, but I'm not going to. I'm going to do your regular old regular coffee. You know, the coffee that's... Good morning, Madison. Good morning, Precious.
She peed the bed at 10:30.
Who?
That's why you're not.
Who peed the bed?
Maddie.
Oh my gosh. I have to wash the sheet?
I already put it in the laundry.
Oh, you already put it in the
I
laundry?
didn't wash.
That's why you're
Oh my gosh, you're so sweet. You're the sweetest daughter ever.
I got mad at her.
You got mad at her?
Yes.
Girl, you used to piss the bed too.
I was
When you were her age, you
sleeping.
pissed the bed too.
I
All of
was
y'all pissed the bed at that age.
sleeping.
So don't come over here acting.
Yo.
Don't be getting mad at my baby.
She was laughing.
She can piss the bed all she wants.
She was laughing.
You're sitting like, yeah.
Baby girl's been potty trained
Yeah.
since she was 2.5 years old. I still see kids that are way older than her still in diaper. I don't know how y'all do it. More power to y'all because that couldn't be
We
me.
don't use the bathroom.
Me, after a while, I get annoyed at the child being that big, pissing and shitting on himself. I'm like, no, I can't. I really, personally. But I get the struggle. I totally get the struggle, and I'm not judging. I'm just saying for me, personally. Because people always get offended when I say what I don't like. Like, okay, you like what you like. You like a grown kid's pissing and shitting on themselves, and I don't like that. Why does that offend you? Am I offended that
Yeah.
I'm such an hypocrite because I am offended. So yeah, you could be offended that that's not something I get down with. But I'm just saying, even though I talked about the whole thing with Destiny and the whole thing, and that everybody got in their feelings. I'm like, honey child, that's my child. If I don't like her to be that way, then I don't like her to be that way. It's my child. You know, we all have our children, and we get to decide what we want for these kids. At the end of the day, it's my pocket that's hurting with all these kids. But anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing morning, rest of the day, and I'll see y'all later. Say bye.
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 And you'll
Bye.
see me later.
That's how I drink my coffee in the morning, guys.
You really do.
I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a million times. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Hey, girl. No, it's a song. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson.
Yeah, it is.
I am for real. Jackson, you want to dance with me? No. He's like, I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a million times. I'm gonna go get dressed for real this time and get out of this house. Maddie, you wanna come with me? No, I have to wash Maddie hair. I might put Maddie hair washing in this video and call it a day because I've been doing way too much antics for this video. And I'm sitting here doing all that foolishness. I leave here in 10 minutes and I'm sitting here entertaining y'all. Why didn't y'all tell me it was time to go? Let's sit here like,
I don't know.
whatever. I don't know, mother. Jason and Jordan, make sure you do the dishes, please.
And also let the dog out.
Before school starts. It's not a lot of dishes.
Dog, that's me?
Oh, did you take Juju out? Come here, Juju. Come here, Papa. Come here. Oh, and when you go out, can you tie up this trash and take it out? Come here, Papa. You gonna go out? You gonna go out? He got a haircut coming up on Monday? Tuesday? Is it Tuesday? Because if you guys don't know, he gets madded. Like, he gets super madded. So we have to get his haircut every 8 weeks, or else, yeah, we don't know how to care for a fancy dog. Juju, you a fancy dog? Huh? You fancy dog, Papa? You fancy dog? Yeah, take him out and then we go.
Okay.
Let's go check on Jordan because he's my autistic son and he don't like things touching his body. Like, I don't share a lot about Jordan because I don't want him to. What you doing in here? Wash your back. How come no soap is on your back? Wash your back. Your armpit. Wash your armpit. Wash under your armpit. Make sure you wash all of that. How you care for yourself. Wash your foot. Did you wash your hair? You did already? Okay. Wash off and get out. I hate coming in the bathroom. Like my outfit. Just got some ripped jeans on. I have to clean my room today, so shut up. And then the shirt I got from Shein because I live on coffee. I need to put some lotion on, deodorant, and body spray. Girls ready. I look and smell like $1,000,000. Light out. Yeah, I think it's like 7:20. It's 7:26. Oh, I need to get rid of them bifold doors. Did y'all turn off Minnie? Oh my gosh. Is that heifer still standing up out there? No, she's down. All right, let's go. Let's go. Jackson, you got your lunch? Did y'all brush your teeth, by the way? That's another pet peeve of mine. Did y'all brush your teeth? Yes? Where's my coffee?
Did you really, Jackson?
I'm legit wearing just mismatched socks.
I did.
Because I'm anemic and I get extremely, guys, what was I saying?
Where's your shoe?
Who's back?
Where's my shoe?
Oh.
It's Friday, people. Happy Friday. Where's my shoe? I'm still waiting on my shoe. I don't know why I think I'm the queen of something. I need to go look for my shoe. The toddlers everywhere. I need to get my life together. Yes, that's fine. Thank you, Papa. You're such a sweet young man. You're going to make an awesome husband one day. Don't ever change. He said, okay. Whatever. All right, let's go. Or else we're going to be late. Come on.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under.
So we're driving. Here goes. Is it raining? I'm like, yes, baby. He goes, I like when it rains. I like the, what is the word?
Satisfaction.
No, he said, I like the
No,
satisfyingness.
Yeah, satisfying.
What? And he's like, no, I like the satisfaction. And I'm like,
No, satisfying.
satisfying?
Satisfying.
When it rains, and when it rains, it's satisfying?
Satisfyingness.
Of what? He's confusing me now. It's 7:45 and we're waiting for
It's satisfying.
this one to go in at her door, and then I have to drive around and drop him off at his door, and I gotta wait for her to get her temperature and for him to give me the thumbs up that I can leave and that she doesn't have, a fever, and then I have to go around, drop him off, wait for his teacher to give me a thumbs up after she takes his temperature, and then I can go about my business. 7:45. I want to go to Dick's Sporting Goods. Because I want to go get some more than boxes. Because, yeah, I'm cheap and they're free. So, I don't even know what time. I need to go Google what time they open. Because I'm not sitting around here waiting 15 minutes.
Like a smile
What?
on her face.
Oh.
It looks like a smile on her face.
It looks like a smile. Every day when she gets out the car, he's like, they're about to scan. What did he say?
There was a scan my sister.
And I was like, don't worry, buddy. You're next. He's always late. We'll be sitting here for like 3 minutes.
Oh yeah, Destiny.
And these people always come pull up behind me and have their kid come out and go down there. Like, honey, child, ain't nobody racing with you. You can send him down there all you want. I will sit here all day. I don't care.
Destiny,
These people around here, the audacity. Think just because the color of their skin makes them, come first. No, honey. I'm like, I don't care.
Mommy, there was a random puppy at our school outside.
There's always randomness around here. This whole place is random.
There was a puppy with a cone.
This whole state is random.
When we go back to
How?
we're going.
Oh my gosh, the child just gave out where we live. I gotta go. Bye. Guys, I'm back in the house. I tell these teenagers of mine, me say, wash the dishes. Me tell them before we leave out, wash the dishes. How many of y'all got kids that don't listen? Because they seem to have selective hearing, whatever. I'm Jamaican. Y'all don't come for me too bad because I'm Jamaican. This is not my language. Whatever. This is not my language. We speak patois. And if I was supposed to start talking patois to you, wouldn't understand nothing what I say. Half of you would probably leave. Because like, what she do? But anyways. I told them, let me come back in character. I told the children, the teenagers when I was leaving, I said, wash the dishes. Sink still full of dishes over there, so I now them want wash dishes. I told them to do it because I wanted to wash Maddie here, Madison. Why do I give my children names I struggle with? I told them, wash the dishes because I need to do Madison's hair. And that's where I do her hair, is in the sink. Because she still fits in there. And yeah. It's cloudy outside, so I'm probably going to clean and put that in the cleaning video. I've been working on a cleaning video since Monday. Y'all shut up. Shut up. That's the thing about me. I love to tell people to shut up. It might not be the most polite thing to do, but hey, you're at my channel. And when we're at my channel, I do what I want. So when we're at your channel, you do what you want to do, and I just have to deal with it. Slamming the doors, aren't you? Huh? That was not an accident, Mr. Jordan. I felt like that was done on purpose. Like you have a little bit of built up anger here, buddy. Do we need to work on the anger problem, Jordan? Like, do we need to send you to counseling for anger management, Jordan? We're slamming things around here. It's all fun and jokes. Jordan knows I love him dearly. I love my children. It might not seem like I do, but I do. I love them dearly. But anyways, I need to do Maddie hair. She's over there like... Anyways, let's just do Maddie's hair.
I grew up and I'm bitter. 0 out of 3 no more. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading out that way for sure. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long. Been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and the worn out sneakers. When we were fine about the complications. Those were the days.
Was that so hard? No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't, Jason. Madison, come do your hair. Tell me why. I just realized that Juju has an appointment at 8 o'clock. And I could have taken him when I left home to go drop the kids off because it's right by their school. So now I have to look at him. How do you drive with your dogs in the car? Like, do you just let him just... Like, I know there's like seatbelt contraption thing, but he's so tiny. So I usually hold him in my arm, but I can't do that and drive. I can't do that and record and drive at the same time. So I'm gonna put him in my lap and get him there. She's like, how long do you think? Because it's 8:25. His appointment was at 8 o'clock, and Rob texted me, but I thought he said December 8th. That's why I was like, why is he telling me now? Like, why is he? And he even texted me, Juju has an appointment at 8 o'clock, and I still... But, you know, I had other plans. Now I have to sit around and wait for Juju to be done. But the good thing is the kids get out at 12, so I might just hang around that area. Because I feel like I'm everywhere right now. Like, this is... I make plans and it just never work out. Right, Juju? Right, Papa? He's like, where are you going, heifer? I'll see y'all when I get there. Juju's dropped off. And they said 3 to 4 hours before I can pick him back up. That's put me around 12, 11 o'clock-ish when I gotta come pick up the kids. Dick's is right in front of me. They open at, I think they already open. Either 9 or 8. I'm gonna go over there and try to grab 2 gifts for the boys and get the free boxes. Because so let's do that. I'm gonna show y'all how I went out. I'm gonna show y'all. It's sad. It's really sad. Let's just take a look at it. See that? I'm missing a sock. Took my sock off the drive and it's sad. Sad as hell. I was looking around. I was like, where's my sock? But I can't drive with anything on my right. Is it my right foot? Yeah, my right foot. I can't. I have to be able to feel the pedal. Like I raw dog my gas pedal. Candles are $9.95. You know I'm going in, right? I should be going to Dick's. But hell no, I'm going to Bath and Body Works. Home, I'm gonna do a haul for you guys on that. And then these are the boys. And then I got more boxes. I got more. It's in the corner. And then I picked up. drink my coffee at home. I love it. It's pink. I only got this because it's pink. Because if you don't know, I'm collecting. Well, let me not give away, but I'm collecting these for someone special. And I love this color. So I'm gonna start collecting Yeti cups because they're not $5.99. They're not basic. They're not your basic nothing. So yeah, $25 mug just to drink my coffee out of. Yeah, let me see you go buy a whole bunch of those, you basic. You know what I mean? I'm joking. I'm legit joking. Please don't pay me any mind. I'm gonna go do Madison's hair right now, and it's 9:57. I feel like I've done so much. Did I tell y'all when I went in Bath and Body Works, I was like the first, like the third person in there, and then like 10 minutes later, the line is like wrapping around the building, and I'm like, I was like legit like walking around like, oh, I'm in here and you're out there taking my sweet time. I'm like, they're like this. Everybody over there just looking like, don't buy all the candles. But I purchased 9 candles. I'm slowly adding back to my collection because if you don't know, years ago I used to collect them, and then Rob told me no more. Burn what you have, and when you're done burning, which is taking me this long to burn all my candles, you can purchase more. He doesn't want me to be a hoarder. I am a borderline hoarder. Yeah. So I'm slowly collecting, and I feel so complete now. That's so shallow, but anyways, let's go wash Maddie hair. Okay, guys, end of the day. Maddie hair didn't get washed. Picked up the kids from school, picked up Juju, he got his hair cut. Candles are sold out online. Going back in stores on Sunday. And anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.